Hello, hello to my favorite international students of Canada. I can't believe we are already at our final episode. I'm Captain Kiki, and if you have been with us through this whole journey, wow, what an adventure it's been, right, guys? If you're just joining us now, definitely check out our previous 7 episodes where we have covered everything from your PR journey as an international student in Canada to mastering your language tests and more. Guys, I can't believe we've already reached our final episode. What a journey, guys. Today's special. We are putting everything together into your complete PR roadmap. And trust me, this is the episode you'll want to bookmark, and with the recent changes to immigration targets, this couldn't come at a better time. I know many of you are feeling uncertain right now. Just yesterday, I was talking to this computer science student in Toronto who was super worried about the 2025 target changes. And you know what I told him? This is exactly why preparation and strategy matter more than ever. Let's create your personal PR pathway because I know you love actionable plans, right, guys? Whether you're in a bachelor's degree program, 2 to 4 years, or a master's program, which is like 1 to 2 years, or a diploma program, which is like 1 to 3 years, or any other qualifying program, your PR journey needs a custom approach, guys. Let me show you how. Your immediate action items. Language mastery. That's the first thing. That's your game changing advantage. Now, let's talk about what really sets successful PR applicants apart: language mastery. You know what I've noticed? Students often focus on work experience and education, but overlook a massive opportunity: bilingualism. Here's the game changer: with strong English and French scores, you're not just another applicant. You are a standout candidate. Think about this: English alone? Good. English plus basic French? Better. English and strong French? Outstanding, guys. Let me show you why mastering both English and French is a strategic move. These are the things that you will be benefiting of becoming bilingual: additional CRS points for French skills, access to specialized immigration streams, expanded provincial program options, enhanced employment opportunities, and faster PR processing in some streams. So look at these numbers, guys. English, IELTS, or any other IRCC approved English language tests always aim for CLB 7 plus. All right. And when it comes to French, which is either TEF or TCF, even NCLC 4 to 5 can start boosting your profile, while NCLC 7 plus can be a game changer. Here's what makes H5 Voyages different when it comes to your language preparation. We have partnered with Canada's top language schools to offer you the following: expert IELTS preparation, along with IELTS 4-week bootcamp to up your score very fast. We also offer CELPIP Preparation along with CELPIP 4-week bootcamp, which also you can help boost your scores very fast. Structured French programs from beginner to advanced, TEF exam mastery to up your NCLT scores, flexible schedules for busy students like yourself, and you can prepare for official tests effectively, guys. And you can build real world communication skills, study both languages efficiently, track your progress systematically, have access to mock tests prepared by experts, become bilingual, and make your application stand out. Let me tell you about this recent student we worked with. And she started with CLB 7 in English but no French. But after reaching NCLC 5 in French through our program, she gained additional points in several programs like OINP and CEC. That jump in points made her profile competitive for her PR options and also broaden her horizon for PR options related to Francophone communities. And the best part, she did this all while continuing her full time studies, guys. Sounds too good to be true, right, guys? If you're ready to maximize your PR chances, like that student, DMS right now to get your language skills assessed for free, start your personalized language program, and begin your journey to bilingual success. Remember, guys, in today's competitive landscape in Canada, language mastery isn't just an option, it's your path to PR success. Now, let me tell you about work experience strategy. You guys have three options. Number one, part time during studies. Number two, co op placements. And number three is post graduation employment. Remember, what we covered in part five? Strategic work experience is crucial, guys. Our RCIC and career consultants can help you plan this perfectly around your study schedule. So please make sure to reach out to us. Oh, and please don't forget to go check out part 5 of this series, guys, because in that episode, I tell you everything you need to know about building your work experience as an international student in Canada. Number 3 in our custom approach is provincial program alignment. Each province has unique opportunities. Remember, just like I mentioned in part 4, actually in part 4 we discussed about OINP, so please go check that out. And if you would like to know more about other provincial nominee programs, you can reach out to us and we can help you with it. Or you can check out canada.ca for more information. With the recent changes, some provinces are actually expanding their international student streams. This is where having an expert guide makes all the difference, guys. Our team stays updated on every provincial change and can help you align your profile with the right program. Next, let me tell you a bit about program specific strategies, guys. For Bachelor students, longer timeline equals to more preparation opportunity. So start language preparation early and build work experience systematically. And for our master students, accelerated timeline. So that means you need to focus on research connections and leverage academic achievements. And for diploma students, focus on these three strategies: strategic course selection, industry certification alignment, and work experience maximization. Wondering why this matters now? With the recent changes to immigration targets, I'm seeing too many students making panic decisions. Don't do that, guys. You shouldn't be that person. But here's the truth, there's still a clear path to PR. It just requires early preparation, strategic planning, and expert guidance. If you're feeling uncertain about your PR journey in Canada, here's what you need to do right now. Book a consultation with our RCIC licensed immigration consultants, get your language scores assessed by our experts, start preparing for your language tests, and start your customized PR preparation plan. DMS now. And please remember, guys, you've already watched our entire series, which means you are clearly committed to your Canadian dream. And not just that, you are now fully equipped with all the information and resources you need. So now, let us help you make it a reality. The immigration landscape in Canada may be constantly changing, but with the right guidance and preparation, your PR journey is absolutely achievable. Our team at H5 Voyages is here to support you every step of the way, guys. Wow, what a journey we've just completed, guys. If you've been with us from the beginning, give yourself a massive round of applause. Let me applaud you right now. Okay, that's just me clapping, guys. We've just wrapped up the ultimate roadmap to your Canadian permanent residency dream. But wait, there's more. Let me tell you about some incredible opportunities we are offering to supercharge your language preparation. Like I mentioned before, we offer the following exclusive language training programs: CELPIP training, 4-week intensive bootcamp for CELPIP and IELTS, comprehensive IELTS training, TEF exam preparation, and along with general French language classes. So, if you would like to sign up for any of the classes that I just mentioned, and if you want access to exclusive promotions, please DM us right now and we will get you signed up as soon as possible. Have you checked out our latest LinkedIn article? It's been making waves with over 300 likes. So please go ahead and give it a read. And trust me, it's packed with a lot of immigration wisdom just for you. And while you're there, don't forget to give us a follow, a like, and drop us a comment if you have any questions. And hey, speaking of staying connected, have you joined our WhatsApp community yet? It's the place to be for all the latest Canadian immigration updates, job opportunities, and maybe even a few memes to keep your spirits up. So please go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen right now and please join our Voyages family. So whether you need language preparation support or you want to quickly up your CLB and NCLC score, or you want assistance when it comes to your PR planning in Canada, or you have PGWP queries, or need help with your PGWP application, and also if you want help with your career when it comes to getting a job, resume writing, cover letter writing, your LinkedIn profile, interview preparation, all of it, guys. Remember, we are just a DM away. So please reach out to us. Don't be shy. Say hi to us. And our team is ready and waiting to support you every step of the way. Please follow us, guys. We are on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and X. Follow us for the latest immigration updates, invaluable resources, exciting community events, and so much more. Everything about your study, work, life, and PR in Canada. We are not just a service, we are your immigration family. So, please, to everyone who's been part of this incredible journey, thank you so much. Thank you for trusting us, for believing in your Canadian dream, and for letting us be part of your incredible story. This is Captain Kiki, your immigration sensei, signing off. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and most importantly, keep moving forward. I'll see you in our next series. Take care, stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.